Put my back, sweat, and tears. Put me on HGTV to get our
fucking
asses
ass
up. So cut to the tour.
So rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And right at the bottom of my mountain, I want to play in your...
Oh, hello. I'm glad you could join me because I don't know about y'all, but I'm tired of staying in an apartment that I pay a fortune for and my room's not set up. Yeah, I moved in here June, May? I'm not really sure because I don't even remember anymore. But what I do know is that my room is not put together, which means my life is not put together. Can you hear it in my voice? Yes, I have laryngitis. It's probably because my room's not together. Anyways, it's time for us to get our asses up. I couldn't even do without laughing. Hello, my beautiful people. In all seriousness, y'all, I really am going to get my room together today. I just feel like I haven't been productive, and I feel like it's primarily because I still haven't finished my apartment. I don't know. Just a clean space gives me a clean headspace. Needless to say, today is going to be the day that we get our lives together, and I just want you to join me. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a quick little before, like we do in all these transformations. So here's a quick pan of the space. So when you first walk in, there is a lovely pile of dirty clothes. I mean, just beautiful, you know? And then here's my dresser. A lot's going on here. A new order from White Fox, sunglasses, a picture, a Tiffany case, some books, the Bible, because you know, always gotta stay close to Jesus. My charger, my old MacBook, my Nike nylon purse, and then over here is the desk area. All of my stuff is just not set up. Throw pillows that should be on my bed, not put up on my vanity mirror. Literally just hodgepodge. Then over here, you know, some more decor items. Look at the fall leaves. Come on, fall. Now, clearly my bed's obviously not set up. Yeah, I really don't know how to explain this other than late night eats. Again, need to get my mental health in check. Oh, and then over in this area is my makeup vanity. Clearly there's a lot of makeup and beauty things going on here. And then here's my medicine center, as you can see, because I had COVID last week. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is clean up any garbage in the space and literally just kind of categorize everything, because as you can see, there's stuff all over the place, but I just need to put everything in their little categories so then I can start organizing and then we can put up the decor.
Okay, so I don't know if y'all have noticed, but in this entire clip, my sweatpants are literally backwards. Like, you know, not my best moment, but we're basically just decluttering and putting everything in its perspective category so that it's easier to set everything up.
Who's that? Pokemon! Luna. Girl. You are not clean.
Okay, now it's time to do a cute little cleaning moment because you know it's kind of a little dusty up in here, like real dusty up in here because literally things have just been sitting. Yeah, it looks gross. So just prepping the space is just going to make me feel a lot better when I set things up.
Listen, come on, son. All right, y'all, so all of the surfaces in the room are dusted and sanitized, and everything is in its category. Over there is the vanity category. Okay, so clearly we have the bed category. Over there's the vanity category. Here is just like the linens, TV area. Over there is the book area, and then here is obviously the desk.
So setting up my desk just felt like the first thing for me to naturally do just because it's literally the easiest thing for me to set up. Like when I tell y'all, I keep my desk very simple, very basic because as a creative, like my brain be so all over the place. So I don't want to have too many distractions so that I could just properly like get into my zone and do what I gotta do, boo. Okay, period.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Don't do this at home, kids. Definitely, like, need a third hand for this, you know?
Listen, I don't know about y'all, but one thing about me, I'm finna use some vertical space, okay? Listen, as I said, there was not much stuff that I like to put on my desk, and so within that case, yes, you could have, you know, your drawers to fill up and store things in, but I also want to use the wall and give it a decorative moment, you know?
I'm done. Stop playing with me. I just want to thank God arrived for this moment, you know. There was a lot of trials and tribulations, but they had us in the first half. Okay, it's starting to get a little bit later in the evening. Right now, I'm in the corner of my room that's gonna be like the Zen area. It's where I'm going to be meditating. So we're gonna be reading a cute little book, okay? Very much my morning routine will be spent here. So I have no idea how I'm about to put this together. I'm just gonna go with it. Okay, so this is currently what the corner is looking like. And then here's a bin of like all of my books and decor that's going to be filling up the space.
So recently, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, my mental health has been taking a little bit of a toll. And so with this Zen space, I'm really hoping to have a place in my room where I could just meditate, read, and really just center myself again.
All right, now it's time to hang things. I'm trying to remember how I did this last time, like almost like I need a ladder. Okay, so I literally had to move my bed back and get a little bit of a stool, and then I just went ahead and pinned it up there. I don't know what you call this, but basically it's gonna be like a strip of ivy leaves, and then along this strip is going to be ivy leaves coming down. Okay, so I don't know how I did it, but I got it up there. As you can see, I literally put my back, sweat, and tears into it. But listen, this is how good it's gonna freaking get. This was a tangly mess, and I somehow got it together. Thank God. Okay, so it's been days. Many days. I mean, who's counting? So I think I left the video off when I was literally hanging up this whole situation. Needless to say, the room is basically almost done, but I still need to like put up my floating vanity. Now here's the thing. I really wanted the maintenance people in my building to like put it up for me because that's what they've done in the past. But then they have this new BS policy talking about well, we can't do those things anymore. And because if we mess something up, we don't want to be liable. Like, girl, this is the building that you work in. Why would you mess something up if you do maintenance? I don't know, whatever. Needless to say, I basically would have to hire like a TaskRabbit or just do it myself. I personally do not want to hire a TaskRabbit. Needless to say, I think I'm just gonna do it myself and hopefully we don't fuck it up. So first dilemma, I don't have anchors. Am I going to buy anchors? No. We're just gonna screw this in the wall and hope that it's not too heavy. They really got me over here being Bob the Builder. Like, put me on HGTV. I'm thinking, not.
Y'all, I just want to start off with saying that, you know, your girl really took her time to try and measure all these things out. You know, I was doing calculations, all right? I was really getting into the nitty and gritty of my Bob the Builder. And, well, just keep on watching.
This is definitely not safe.
Y'all,
I am happy to finally reveal to you my room tour.
okay, so before we get into it, so y'all know how I put my vanity up, right? It's not up. It actually fell out the wall. But you know what? We're not gonna really focus on the negatives. We're just gonna focus on the positives. So cut to the tour. Okay, so I'm currently at the door. First walk in, to the right of me is my TV. This part of my room is very simple. It's literally just my dresser, air purifier, TV, the remotes, and this is actually a little skylight that goes on in my room at night that really just gives my room this very magical and majestic type feel, you know? Now to the left of the door is obviously my vanity section. Like I mentioned, the vanity literally fell out the wall. So listen, your girl tried, okay? I might have to try again, but if not, I'm gonna have to call a TaskRabbit. Anyway, so on top of the vanity is this beautiful box. So in here is literally just like my favorite body butters, my everyday perfume, and then this face palette that I use every day. Next to that is my beautiful vanity mirror. Okay, honey, listen. This was a cute little DIY project that I did back in the day. Back in the day. And then here's like my face mirror that's a little bit dusty, so ignore that. But it's just regular and has a magnified side as well. And then here are my literal clean makeup brushes that I cleaned this week. And then in here is just my everyday makeup. And then in this drawer is my hair stuff and some eyelash and nail glue. Now before we move on to the bed, I have these two beautiful side tables that literally, y'all, I got this from Home Goods and they still sell them. I got them like 2 years ago, but I saw these again in a Home Goods near me not too long ago. So go check out your local Home Goods, girl. This is cute. I mean, look at the car
perfect, okay? The detail. This is just some coasters that I had for a while. I think I got them from World Market. Here's my eyeglass case, you know, the Tiffany blue. And then here you'll see my gratitude journal, these 2 books that I'm reading right now. And then this is like my journal when I just need to rant. You know, the book that you say, fuck all the haters, period. And then this beautiful vase. And I forget what these are called, but I literally got them at like a localized like flower shop. Now, for the star of the moment, okay? Period and period. Listen, Ivy leaf vines, and then underneath that is a beautiful dream catcher to, you know, of course, snatch away all of my nightmares. Again, another star of the moment. Let's just do a beautiful pan here. As you can see, I have this throw. This tapestry is from Urban Outfitters. And then, you know, the throw pillows that was on the desk is now on the bed. Yeah. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I don't remember where all these throw pillows were from. But basically here, y'all, I really just wanted to keep a very neutral tone on my bed. I mean, you kind of will see that throughout the room. But even with the neutral tones, I feel like the bed really still like grabs you in and it's cozy, okay? That's what we was going for. We was going for the cozy look, period. And then, you know, nothing too crazy, just the other end table. Now, going into my Zen space, as y'all can see, I have this beautiful art piece that I actually got from my friends, but I think you can get it from Target. It's giving you the yin and yang, the sun up, the sun down, and the moon coming up. And then over here is my beautiful Zen space. I just have all of these books that I've just collected over the years or that were gifted to me. And then here is just like a eucalyptus candle, you know, a little yoga figurine, some sage to keep all the haters away. And then here is just my diffuser. And then behind it is just my yoga mats, so I can go ahead and take them out, roll them out, and do some yoga if I want to, or some stretching in the morning. And then next to that is just like a little faux candle in this lantern. Now, I know y'all are like, Tiffany, why are you just leaving this huge empty space right below this portrait? But honestly, y'all, I've been looking for chairs and I really wanted to have one for this reveal, but I can't find any chairs that fit in this tiny little corner that like I'm in love with. And I really want a comfy chair here. You know, I want to come to that chair, I want to meditate on it, I want to read books, I want to be comfortable, okay? All right, now for another star of the hour, we have my beautiful Deskington. Yeah! Here is my pegboard that I literally got from IKEA. I've had it for like 2 years now and I am not over it. I just love how you can really make this board anything you want, because like all these accessories you can purchase separately and personalize this to how you want it. And then, you know, my beautiful pearl plant that I've been working on, okay? She a plant and pet mom, purr. And then up there is just my microphone that I use for voiceovers, my Polaroid camera, and then basically just like a turnabout of like colored pencils, markers, all of the children-like things. But yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. It is crazy to finally just have my room put together, y'all. Like, I feel so much more productive. I'll be waking up in the morning ready to take on the day. But yeah, y'all, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed getting my shit together. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.